This beautifully designed home offers modern amenities, thoughtful design, and energy efficiency in a growing community. This quality-built MBN home is only 2 years old and ready for you. This home has a lovely open floor plan, perfect for entertaining. The living room, dining area, and kitchen flow seamlessly for an expansive but inviting feel. The stunning kitchen is equipped with quartz countertops, custom cabinets, a walk-in pantry, and stainless steel appliances. The living room is inviting and cozy, with the brick fireplace adding to the ambiance. The master suite is a standout feature with its large size, 2 closets, and well-appointed ensuite bathroom that includes a double vanity and spacious shower. When it's time to relax after a long day, head outside to the backyard where you can enjoy the open patio space. This home is located in the Northwest Allen County School District with tons of nearby amenities, including parks, shopping, and dining options. An amazing home in an amazing location needs new, amazing owners. Call Ginger Miller and become the next amazing owner of this home.